Bienvenidos, chicos y chicas. We're back at it with a new episode. Today we have this beautiful Hello Kitty set, which we know we stand in this channel. Let's look at our options. We have this really cool like Joker Mad Hatter kitty, gangster homie kitty with the hip hop moves. This is definitely like a DJ kitty. DJ Gato. Big vibes. Oh, look at that. We got Marilyn Monroe. Audrey Harper. Let's get this open. These kind of came like this, but that's all good. I got them from AliExpress. Look at this. So cool. Font. It's like graffiti style. That's pretty cool. Gold chain with the K. Definitely needs to have both the hat and the bow. Look at that. Has a little thunderbolt instead of like teardrop. So hardcore. Right here you can see it's from the 40th anniversary. It's like a 2014 edition. It says 40th here too. Either way, we love. Okay, let's move on. Otro. Let's see what we got. That Marilyn Monroe Hello Kitty. The font, like a gold cursive right here. She got the oro, the heels made of gold. She's a beautiful white dress, and it's like in the air. See like the scene. Ooh, kitty. Golden locks. Look at that cute expression. Little bow. Hello Kitty. So pretty. Next one. Look at this one. Look at that. Like a really cool Joker kitty. Or Mad Hatter kitty. I don't know. You decide. But it has like a little staff. Like bow, different colors. And a little heart. Her vestido. Otro moño. She's so cute. Look at her little expression. It's like, hush. Me encanta. Dos más. DJ Kitty. We got simple font. Look at that. She has little leggings. Ballerina. That top. Hardcore. And then it looks like she has a choker. She's so rad. Some gloves. She has little moños to go with her other bow. To go with her headphones. For you. This one's rad. Okay, friends. Último. Audrey Harper kitty. Same font as some of the other ones, like this one, but it's all cool. Look at that bow. A little flower, little pearls. Her hair is on point. This is what Breakfast at Tiffany's. Look at the expression. Keeping them secrets. She's gorgeous, y'all. Just gorgeous. Okay. It's time to line them up and choose, guys. Whoop. We did it together. Okay, I'm about to go with Marilyn Monroe kitty. She's a vibe. Audrey Harper. Linda. I think I'm gonna go with DJ Kitty. Whoop. Actually, oh my god, this is so hard. Cause look how cool he is. But she's so like precious. Okay, I think I will go with her next. Unfortunately, Gangsta, you're last. How do you feel? And with that, the video is over. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Muchos besos. Adios. Mwah.